Welcome to Univer Clipsheet, your powerful AI-driven web to spreadsheet solution. With AI technology, Univer Clipsheet can pull table data from any web page. For example, it can not only grab a list of stocks, but also dive into each stock's detail page to extract more information. On the Details page, you can see more information about the stock, such as its 5-year return rate and related news reports. But that's not all. Clipsheet can easily extract information from financial news articles like the ones below. All right, let's give it a try now. First, open Univer Clipsheet and click the button. It will start capturing all the tables on the page and save them to Univer Sheet. The task is complete. Click the title to see the extracted data. Look, all the web information has been extracted into Univer Sheet. Now, without logging in, we can edit and copy the data, and even download it as an Excel file. Next, we'll drill down into the data. Enter prompt in both cells J2 and K2, then highlight Arrange to activate our AI collection menu. Click the button in the bottom right corner. Select the hyperlinks in column A, then select columns J and K to receive the data and click Start. AI will extract information from the hyperlinks in column A based on the prompts in columns J and K. Great! Columns J and K have now extracted the information we needed. I'm sure you're all quite curious. The Univer Sheet contains numerous worksheets. In this case, it contains up to 10 worksheets. That's because Univer Clipsheet has gathered all the table data from the recent web page, including the stock list, financial news, key news, and more. Let's move to the second worksheet. Here, we have extracted financial news, and we want to know which stocks are mentioned in these news articles. The AI will now extract information from the hyperlinks in column A based on the prompts in column G. With Univer Clipsheet, you can effortlessly organize public information from e-commerce sites, social media, news, finance, video platforms, travel websites, and more into a spreadsheet with just one click. You can then drill down to extract even more details. Let's give it a try.